Hey guys, this is Fondo on Shupagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Kazimulo and Pastor Kuala stand Nosipho up while bonding up a storm at the VIP lounge. It seems like Kazimulo and Pastor Kuala ignoring Nosipho on bonding up. While in another part of the lounge, Konzi goes into celeb mode as he promotes the upcoming talent show. They are live on Instagram and they show Kwamashu people what will be expected on the Kwamashu talent show. Meanwhile, back at the police station, things comes to head for Monley as his subordinating are questioning about his leadership and conduct. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.